Hello, dear friends, dear well-wishers. Today I will tell you the difference between though, although, and even though. For example, I was sick but I went to the gym. Normally, if someone is sick, do they go to the gym? No. There is a contrast between the two statements. I was sick but I went to the gym. So we can say, though I was sick, I went to the gym. Although I was sick, I went to the gym. Even though I was sick, I went to the gym. Though is informal. It is mainly used in spoken English. Although is neutral. You can use it when you are speaking or when you are writing. Even though. You also can use it when you are speaking or when you are writing. But even though is little bit stronger than although. One more example. I didn't like the food, but I ate everything. Though, although, even though I didn't like the food, I ate everything. For such more videos, subscribe the channel.